It's still runnable, but you have to be careful with this bit of loose soil here and then you can fall there. It's Denise, first time joining us. Long time no see.
Yeah, hi.
Paul Bueno. I mean, Paul, Cha, Choi, Paul, Denise. Pressure. Yep, 2.27 kilometers in. It's Denise trying to do hill reps and then eventually go to the campsite of a friend. Check it out. So another Sunday training exercise for us. Weather's good. Hopefully we get a good view on top with clearing. Saw some familiar faces. Started the training too. Awesome day. Awesome day. Route is cleaner now. Thanks to She. She did this on her own. She cleaned it. She wanted to train. She's doing service to other runners. Thank you, She. Yeah, this is back, guys. Trail needs a bit more cleaning. If you can help out, you know, once in a while, just cut off what needs to be cut off. Take off whatever debris there. We did a couple of times. And I hope others will help as well. Just to help out the trail running community. Landslide. So I guess the fork need to take right turn. It's still runnable, but you have to be careful with this bit of loose soil here and then you can fall there. Yes. This part become the quarrying became rampant during lockdown. So if you're a regular here in Ayas, you come up, it's gonna be come to a shock because this wasn't visible. Yeah, summit. Parawagan next, most likely, because trail is not runnable. And we hit the view. Ew. Ew. No to chips ahoy.
Hindi ko pala ma-extend.
Ano yun eh? Left to right kayo eh.
gain the late. Meds,
Wag, don't say that.
meds the later. Nice to see them. It's a wreck place. This used to be the basketball court. If you come from Mayas, basketball court is the landmark, indicating that you're near the bridge. Now you have to reroute, go way below to find your way back. Okay, we're now at Parawagan. You see in VK route. There's so many people going up their normal routes, so we're using this route. More gain, but I guess better experience. Brutal uphill. We've been climbing for so long. 4 hours 20 now. Total running time. Well, I paused earlier when we were at Wawa. Anyway, it's brutal. VK, steep slopes, crazy gradient. Running out of water. We're fighting. All for the love of training. For future races. Even though we haven't signed up for any. Nice. Nice. Strong. Chabo. 1,000 plus gain. 13.5 km. Going down and going to the camp. Last stretch. This is flat. Downhill and flat. Ito po, pag naghanap kayo ng libreng masarap na buko, dito kayo punta. Seven hours in, we're heading to Eric's place, campsite. Cha is a bit impatient now because I told him it's near Wawa. She was kind of like expecting like it's just a few hundred meters away. It's already a few kilometers. She's behind. She's not talking to anyone. Anyway, look at the view. Look at that. It's so beautiful. We're almost at this place. Fortunately, Eric is not there. He said they went to Wawa. We were in Wawa. We didn't see him. But people are in his camp. Let's drop by and say hi, whoever's there. We're here at Eric's place. Really nice. A bit tired. Didn't expect to get this far. 20 plus kilometers total, and the place is really nice. It's chill mood. Got a nice view. Got the balcony. friendly people, serve food, serve drinks. We got a hammock, a basketball court. Get the view. It's most important. It's, I guess the view is amazing in the morning. Also in the afternoon, see the sunset. I guess both the sunrise and sunset. It's a nice place. Definitely recommend. I haven't tried camping here. I'll probably do so in the future. Right now we're just waiting for the boat, whatever boat that passed by, and then hail it and go back. 25 pesos per head. So we just have to wait, old style. There's no way of radioing them. There's no app to do it. No cell signal. If a boat passed by, you just have to hail them. Hopefully they have enough space or they have enough capacity to carry us. It's just how it is. Adventure. After a long wait, there's no boat, so we have to walk somewhere to a point where boats usually pass. That's the way it is. Because we might end up waiting for a long time. Might wait for 2 hours, 6 hours, don't know. So it's best to keep moving.
There's a lot of adventures out there, waiting for us to live them. Run towards it, and not away from it. If you think adventure is dangerous, try routine. We travel just not to see. We try, listen, feel, taste. That way, there won't be any place you cannot find beauty. Taking risks means you are not wasting your soul. When you decide to do so, share it with friends, 'cause sharing is living.